We're going to take you through the basics of Twitter. First, you need to log into your account using your username or email address and password. To create a tweet, type what you'd like to say into the text box at the top of your screen, labelled "What's happening?" Remember, tweets can be a maximum of 140 characters. If you'd like to mention one of your friends or followers in your tweet, type the @ symbol followed by their username. You can also add attachments like photos, videos, GIFs, polls, and your location to your tweet. If you select notifications at the top of your screen, you will see any new followers, likes, retweets, or replies you may have. Twitter also recommends accounts for you to follow in the Who to Follow section. If you want to follow someone, simply click Follow. You can also search for accounts using the search bar at the top of your screen. When scrolling through your newsfeed, if you see a tweet you enjoy, you can press the heart icon to like it. To share that post with your own followers, you can press the arrow icon to retweet it. When retweeting, you can add a comment in the text box too. To reply to someone else's tweet, press the speech bubble icon and type your reply into the text box. You can also add any attachments if you'd like to. If you want to see what's popular on Twitter, you can check out the Trends panel. This displays different topics and hashtags that are currently trending across Twitter. The Moments tab at the top of your screen will show you news stories and current events. You can also have private conversations with your friends over Twitter using messages. To start a new message, type the icon in the top right of your screen. Type in the person's username, then click Next. Then type in your message in the lower text box. You can also add images and GIFs as you can in a normal tweet. When you're all done using Twitter, you can simply log out or leave the app and return to your home screen. For more helpful hints about how to stay connected, please go to jtglobal/jt-help. Thanks for watching.